Hi there! Thank you for watching this Frosted Leaves video on how to clean tarnish off sterling silver jewelry. I recommend that you store all of your silver jewelry in a little plastic Ziploc pouch like this one. You want to keep the air and the moisture in the air away from silver as much as possible. So when you're not wearing it, storing it in a pouch like this is going to postpone tarnish for a long time. This method of cleaning sterling silver involves boiling water. So it's intended for sterling silver jewelry only, not for pearls, jewels, or beads, or anything else that could be damaged by the boiling water. You're going to need a heat-proof Pyrex 1-cup measuring cup, a piece of aluminum foil that's big enough to cover the bottom of the measuring cup and up the sides a bit, baking soda, which you can get in any grocery store, a wooden chopstick. I use this to move the jewelry around in the boiling water. A clean towel to dry your jewelry on. And about 1/3 cup of boiling water. And you'll need a piece of tarnished jewelry like this chain. The kettle has just boiled, so now I'm putting the aluminum foil down into the Pyrex cup. I'm going to dump maybe a tablespoon of baking soda on it. And now when I pour this in, there's going to be a chemical reaction between the aluminum foil and the baking soda, and we're going to get some fuzz that I'm going to drop the chain into. Here we go. There's the chain. So I'm going to stir the chain around, trying to get the chain to touch all of its edges onto the aluminum foil. Depending on how tarnished this is, it can take different lengths of time, and you might want to do it a few different times. After you take it out and check it, you might think it's still not shiny enough, so you might want to do it again. And you will notice when you put your sterling silver in here that if it is tarnished, there will be a kind of a smell that comes off it, and that's kind of your indication that the tarnish is transferring onto the aluminum foil. Okay. The chain is looking a lot cleaner. Okay, so I'm just going to get the chain out with my chopstick, like this. I'm going to move this out of the way, and this is just a bowl of cool water to rinse the chain in. So I'm just going to get all of the baking soda off. So you can see that this chain looks completely differently. It's beautiful and sparkly now. Okay, the chain is just going to go onto the towel where it can dry, and then I'm going to be storing it in a little Ziploc baggie. I'd like to tell you one more simple way to clean sterling silver jewelry. For example, I just cleaned this silver pendant. And I did it using this old toothbrush and white toothpaste. Put a little toothpaste on the toothbrush and buff your tarnished jewelry. After a minute, the toothpaste will turn a darker color. Rinse it off and then do it again. You might need to do it several times to clean your jewelry, but it is a good alternative to the boiling water method. Remember though that toothpaste can also be abrasive, so it still shouldn't be used on really delicate jewelry. Here's the necklace that I cleaned using two different methods. The pendant was cleaned with toothpaste and a toothbrush, and the chain was cleaned with baking soda on tin foil and boiling water. This necklace is sparkling and beautiful. It looks brand new. And that's it.